To all my dreamers out there, I hate to say this, but the only opinion that matters is your own. So if you've been looking for outside validation, outside acceptance, other people's approval, if you've been waiting for your parents to finally notice you, if you've been waiting for your siblings to see you as the badass that you are, if you've been waiting for the rest of the world to reflect to you what you know inside of you, here's your wake-up call. You need to see it first. You need to know it first, and you need to stay in a space of positive incubation within yourself, allowing your dreams to gestate and continually working on mindset alignment to take you there. Your dreams are meant for you. They are meant for you because they're a desire in your heart, and it was given uniquely to you. Now is your time to step into it. So given what's going on in the world, what are you going to do? How are you going to use this time to elevate, align, bring yourself into that highest consciousness? Stay tuned because I have more videos for you on how to do this. And if you want to get started right now, head on over to YouTube. I've got a library of videos on this very thing. But my message to you today is, if you are doubting you, I am here to tell you, I believe in you until you believe in yourself. We all need those mentors. We all need those guides. We all need those voices. This is your sign. Look for the acceptance and approval to come within, not without. That is the number one mistake that constantly gets made. Work on aligning to believing what's possible for you. Dreams are dreams because they stay dreams, but making them a belief, knowing in your heart and soul that they are meant for you. That is the work that needs to be done. And when I say work, it is a joy and it is a journey, and you can get started today. Notice your voice. Notice when you're giving other people power over you. Notice when you're seeking their approval and acceptance, and just start saying, I am ready now. I am ready now. There is no work to be done. I am ready now. I receive my dreams now. I am an open, receptive container of the life that is meant for me. I am an open, receptive container of the life that is meant for me. Write down right now all of the things you will feel upon having that which you desire, because it's going to be words like love, appreciation, freedom, expression. You can start putting those feelings into action today to align yourself with the vibration needed to attract in, manifest, and create your dreams and turn them into your reality. If you like this video, let me know. Send me a private message. What are you needing support with? How did this speak to you today? Write in the comments below. I love to hear from you. The more I hear from you, the more I know what you need. All right, sending you so much love, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.